Hey, what's up guys? This is Topher with Walser Nissan in Burnsville, and today I'm just going to be talking a little bit about what Nissan Connected Services is. Alright, so when you hop onto the Nissan Connect Services app, this is the first thing that you're going to see. This is your home screen. It's called your garage. So you can see up here, we've got a Nissan Rogue here, and most commonly what's going to be used on Nissan Connect Services is going to be your remote start and stop, as well as your lock and unlock buttons. This can be done from anywhere, from any distance, as long as you have an internet connection. So I'll just kind of quickly show you here how the remote start works. So all you do is you press start, and it's going to ask you, are you sure you want to remote start your vehicle? And you just click yes. And boom, your engine's all fired up and the car is either cooling down for you on a hot July day, or it's warming up for you on those cold January days. And then if you accidentally press that button, let's say, and you wanted to stop it, it will run for 10 minutes and automatically stop itself. But if you wanted to stop that beforehand, you just hit stop. It'll say, do you want to? And you say yes, and then engine was stopped successfully. Other things you can do, you can make sure you can lock your car, as well as unlock your car. Then you can also press this button down here to sound off the horn and flash the lights. And then a little bit farther down here, my car finder here. So if you're like me and you forget where you park, you can use my car finder right down there. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you a bit more. So there's roadside assistance here. If your vehicle is stolen, you can use the stolen vehicle locator there. Nissan customer care is also a part of this. Alerts here. See the maps right here, see where your car is. If you click into my vehicle here, you get a vehicle health report. Just making sure everything's checking out the way it should. So right now I'm on demo mode here, so I flipped over to the Titan screen because I was on the Rogue screen here. So I flipped over to Titan. The other thing you'll have is vehicle status. So it'll let you know kind of how everything is and if anything needs addressing. Like if your tire pressure is low, it'll let you know. Well, I hope that helped with learning about what Nissan Connect Services is. If you have any questions or more of a specific question, feel free to drop a comment down below. Otherwise, you can always visit our website at walsernissan.com or stop in. We're more than happy to help.